So let's create such type of model. How can we create this? For create this model, you can see its complete tree in the left side. In this here we will use maximum, boss extrude, and also rig and fillet and extrude cut here. So let's create this model. How can we create it? Let's select a plane, that is front plane. Click on front plane and click on the sketch. After that we have to click on the line tool and create a sketch. Click on the origin and then drag the cursor left. After a distance, move the cursor toward upward vertically and create such type of sketch as shown in this. Let's select the smart dimension and give the dimension from this line to this line. That will be 80. Okay. Again select this bottom line and top, give it also dimension 80. Here we will use a constant. For apply any constant, we have to select more than one entity. So select this line and shift press and select this line. After that you will see here make equal. Okay. Again click on smart dimension, select both these points or line and give it 15. After that click on the features tab in the command manager and then click on the extrude boss base tool. After that here we will select mid plane option for the extrusion and give the dimension, like we will enter here 120. So let's little bit less 100. Okay. Then after we have to create a plane by the help of this face. So for create any plane we have to select a face. Here we will select this face and then after move the cursor to the reference geometry drop down and click on the plane tool and then give the distance. So we will enter here 30. That's 38 and this plane create forward from this feature. So we have to create this plane inside this feature. For this we have to click on this checkbox, that is flip offset, and then again we can click on this as a 30 distance. Okay. Then after for create sketch, click on this plane, that is plane 1, and then click on the sketch. Here we will create 2 circles like that. Give it the distance from top edge to center of the circles, which will be 30, and then give the diameter 25. Same outer circle give also dimension as a diameter, that will be 38. Now we have to give the relation. So for give any relation, press shift and select this center point and select this origin and click on this. As you can see, make vertical. Now you can see it's completely black, and in right side bottom you can see here fully defined sketch here, features, common features, and click on the also extrude boss base tool. After that you will see it will also extrude from the mid plane. So we have to select here blind option, and after that reverse the direction, and then you will see that up to next option is activated. Click on this option will activate it after the extrusion will be of any face. Like if we will click on this direction, then the up to next option is not available here. But if we will change the direction toward the feature, then the up to next option will be visible here. So click on it. Let's hide this plane. Also create a plane here at the distance of 15 mm. For that, click on this face, reference geometry, click on plane tool and enter here 15. Also flip offset, click on it. Now we will select this plane tool, sketch. Then we will create here a center rectangle, something like that. Click on outer edge and use as a convert entity. Click on it. Click on the convert entity tool in the command manager tools. Click on the trim entity and we will trim here all the outer like that. Let's give the dimension. So first before give the dimension, press shift and select both the line and this edge. Then you will see here collinear option. Click on it, smart dimension. Again select both these lines and here we will enter value 22. Now we have to also give it the also one relation that will be symmetric. For give this symmetric relation, we have to create a vertical upward line. Then select this line, press shift, select the center line and also select this line. Then after click on the symmetric tool. Now this will be in black, fully defined. Come on features, click on the also extrude boss base. Again we have the same process here, reverse direction up to next. So here we will select up to surface and click on this surface. Okay, now we have to again select this plane and hide it. Again select here front plane, sketch and create a line from this bottom edge and to this. Here you can see it is now fully defined. So now we have to select this point, shift press and select also these points, and after select both the points, click on the make coincident relation. Okay, come on features, click on the rip. Now here we will see that our value is here 10, so we will take it 8. Click on OK. So now our rib will be created here, you can see. After that click on the flip tool, click on this edge, also click on this edge. All the 4 edges selected here, and click on the enter 15 value. Okay, now we have to click on this face as you can see and click on the sketch. Here we will click on the offset entity and click on it. Reverse will be the direction. Okay. Select appraise, convert entity. Now we have to drop down, click on the trim entity, and extend entities tool we will use here. Extend both these. Now we have to trim some portion like it, and this and this one. Features, click on the extrude cut in the command manager tools. Here we will select through all. Okay. So now you can see our model is created here. So if you like this model, you may also create such type of models in our channel. And also if you like it, subscribe our channel.